Hey guys, Lorenzo here. Happy Monday. So, topic for today is okay. I have a hypothesis. As you know, I don't know if you do know, but wow, majority of the films nowadays are, I don't know, it's just been very weird. They've been making a lot of weird artistic films lately. And I just want to share the weird ones that I don't really dig are the ones that that do the classic 70s, 60s, or films that are in a square ratio, the artistic stuff. That's something I don't really dig. And something that I would probably never do if I direct something. I wouldn't make it grainy and, make it look like, for example, one battle after another. I wouldn't make a film like that. If I was the director, I wouldn't use that. I would instead use the newest and most advanced technology and appreciate the cameras and maximize it and use it, what it was built for. So yeah, I don't know why guys are going back to the past when you have the newest cameras where you can, do a lot of cool AI stuff, make things beautiful and colorful and more advanced. Anyway, the least weird film that I kind of liked, maybe because, of how it's made, and it's modern, also it's contemporary, is a film called Eddington by a guy named Ari Aster. Have you heard about him? He's the guy who did Hereditary, which was okay, which was good, and Midsommar, it was good too, and Beau is Afraid. How do you pronounce that? Beau or Bo? Anyway, he did those three films that were artsy, strange, and absurd, but he gets away with it because he did it in a contemporary style. He's more like a modern day David Lynch, which is a great filmmaker. So yeah, he has a new film now, Eddington, stars a Joaquin Phoenix, and it's good. It's a great film. Not great, but it passed the bar exam because it's contemporary made, it's modern, it's a bit artsy, but you'll dig it. It's not like abstract stuff. It's kind of weird, it's absurd. If you don't take it seriously, it's a fun movie. Go see it. It's called Eddington, Joaquin Phoenix. So yeah, that's it. Oh well. Lazy Monday, guys. Ciao.